Are you a content creator? Do you have a YouTube channel? Want to monetize, promote, and protect your channel from intellectual property theft? At Forever, we will monetize, optimize, and protect your channel, helping you earn better. We also offer you professional content management support guidance. Join our network today and enjoy our premium benefits. Contact us at mcn@forever.com.
Are you sure he's going to take this route today?
Of course. He's very certain he will pass.
Listen. I am tired. I am very hungry now and I need to eat something. No. What's this?
You don't say you know there's sense, there is nothing up here. You better keep your eye on the road before this hunger of yours make us lose sight of that he hates. What's wrong with you?
Oh.
What's going on?
Hey! Is it the one?
Yes, it's the one.
This one? I am not. No.
Where are you going to? Marcos!
Why are you blocking my way?
Hey! Sarah! Hey, Sarah! My eye! Sarah! Hey!
Don't report me to my father. That I report you to what's it. Yeah.
Sarah! Okay, wait. Sarah,
So, Sarah, you have the guts to fight me in this village. This is not the end. I will deal with you. Yeah, Marcos. Come here. Send me the back. You are with her, right? You are with that devilish girl. You connived with her to fight me in this village.
No. I don't know how.
You don't know her.
I don't. Is it not Sam? Stephen now. I'm trying to know if I can set my trap here.
Yeah, Marcos. You want to know if you can set your trap.
Come back, it's me. Why are you running?
He's no longer coming. Idiot. Sarah. Listen, you've got him into trouble in the past. This one is a very big one. You see that guy? That guy will never rest until he will have his revenge on us.
Momo, let me ask you a simple question. Who is us?
Huh?
So if they call people we fight, if they say people that fought should come out, you go come spread, say you fight. You?
Yes, now.
You that disappeared before I even sighted the shadow of that bloated cow.
Ha! It's a lie. Because you were not there. Did you not see my posing? I was preparing to deal with that idiot. What did I not say?
Anyway, I am happy I have gotten my own pound of flesh. The next time that fool is here, say he will take off.
Yeah, I say me take off. I am mad. I really took my own share of beating on him. I really dealt with it. Eat it. That was what I did to him.
Aww.
You think I'm crazy? In this village, no one will ever lay his hand. I rather die than to allow any man hit you.
Oh.
I say.
Oh, Marcos. Marcos, my man, strong man.
What are you saying?
You know what? Close your eye. I want to kiss you to show you how much I appreciate you.
It's close.
Bring out your mouth.
Yeah!
I cannot find it.
Won't you at least say good morning to your mother? Where are you going? In case your father wants to know.
Where I'm going is none of your business.
How dare you talk to me like that? Lutana, I am your mother.
Save the Simon for some other time.
Lutana.
Lutana.
Lutana. And what are you looking at?
Sorry, my queen.
Sorry for your miserable life. You low life that your parents can. Come back here. Come and look for this thing. Low life. That is why you are so poor that your parents cannot even feed you 1 square meal a day. Look for it before I lose my temper and get your miserable body out of my presence. Get out! Just get out! Get out!
Too many things can happen to a man. He would decide to lock up himself. He will decide to be all alone. He will decide to speak to nobody. Whatever it is.
Uche, you're just a clown. Where are you at?
Sarah, come back here. Come back. Sit down. I won't have a word with you. You see, Sarah, your mother was a very beautiful, very intelligent, very wise, very quiet. She was the best. Within that very period I was with her, that short moment I was with her, she was the best thing that happened in my life. And then finally when she gave birth to you, I looked at the very beautiful girl my wife has brought forth. I said to myself, are you not the luckiest man on earth? Hey? It kept rotating in my head that I am the happiest man on earth.
Papa, you have told me this story so many times. It is beginning to grow branches in my head. My head is full. I am tired.
No, you don't have to be tired. I am repeating the story over and over again because I keep believing that somehow the story will begin to make some sense into you so that you will start to behave like a normal human being. What happened eventually? You know, when your mother's brothers brought you back, I said to myself that my wife has given me another her, that I found a replacement in my child. Eventually I was very wrong. What happened? You grew up into a woman and you only took after your mother's beauty. What happened to the intelligence? What happened to the wisdom? Where is the calmness? What happened? Why are you not behaving like somebody who has a mother? Is it just because you grew up in the South? What is this? To the extent that what you do now is to go about fighting in this village?
Hey!
What is hey?
Hey!
Hey, what?
Hey!
Hey, what is hey?
Papa, so that idiot came back to report me to you. Oh, he has not learned his lesson.
Listen, shut up and sit down. I said you should shut up and sit down.
Papa, by the way, I have wisdom. I'm very intelligent. I am wise. It's just that these village people will not allow me rest. I walk, Sarah. I sing, Sarah. I do this, Sarah. Was it because I was not born here? If they won't allow me have my peace, they will not also have
Let me
peace.
just break it down before you start to kill the peace. Your husband to be and his people are coming to pay your bride price next weekend and take you home.
Take who home?
You. Who?
Whose bride price?
your bride price, and they will take you home.
If to say you know be my papa, I for say me you hold your 2 ears, listen to me.
Meaning?
I will not marry that man. Papa, fathers are choosing eligible men, fine men, flashy men as husbands for their children. You want me to marry that old man? That old thing, I will not marry him.
Listen to, hey, come back here. People are busy marrying people that are flashy. Have you managed to flash anybody as a husband to be? Have you? The only man who has come to, indicate interest in making you his wife is the same man we are talking about. And let me tell you something. You cannot say you will not marry him because you have married him already. Do you know how much this man gave me? Do you know how much he gave me as loan? Money you know that I don't have any more to pay. So this arrangement that he brought for you to become his wife as settlement for the money he gave me is very perfect. And the man we are talking about is very connected. If there is any mistake, he will not only take your father and he will take you for it. So just prepare your mind because this arrangement he brought to make you his wife, to me, is very credible. That is the only way you can assist your father.
So it is me, Sarah, that you want to blackmail emotionally.
What's blackmail?
It will not work. Papa, it will not work. You always say my mother is wise, intelligent, beautiful. With all this intelligence, how did she choose you as a husband? You want me to marry that old man? I will not marry him, Papa. I will not.
Sarah, I used to be very flashy. Oh. Yes. That's why your mother married me. Because I was a flash man.
No problem. Mr. Flash, keep flashing.
Yes.
I will not marry.
And let me tell you, as you have refused to flash any man to me, to be your husband to be, I will flash you to the world that is available. Next weekend, to happen. You are going. As in going, gone.
I want to go hang out somewhere and just chill and have some drink. You can join me if you wish. Alright, I'm waiting.
And the mind, and it's buried inside the game. And what is the game? It is the royal game. The royal game. The game royalty. Oh, royal game. Royal game.
Your Majesty, this whole thing is getting out of hand. It's getting worse by the day. You needed to see how rudely he spoke to me in the presence of the maid earlier today.
That's ridiculous. Well, each time I see him, my heart loses a beat. I don't even know which one is worse. Seeing him in a bad mood or not seeing him at all.
I've always said he needs help. Get him a counselor for him to heal faster. He doesn't talk to anyone apart from Uche. Uche is the only one he speaks to. Uche that is even worse than the problem at hand.
As far as I'm concerned, I don't think he needs anyone or a counselor. All he needs is time. I've said this countless number of times.
Majesty. Time?
Yeah.
How long? How long will it take? Will it take eternity? This is almost 3 years now. He has not healed. Your Majesty, he doesn't want to see any of his family members. Whenever he is at home, he locks himself in his room. I want my son back, Your Majesty. I want the Lotana I know back.
Can happen to a man. He will decide to lock up himself. He will decide to be all alone. He will decide to speak to nobody.
If I catch that man, I mean it's your crap. If I catch that man, I will kill him without even thinking about it.
Before you even start, I will send him to his early grave.
Lele, my friend, go and look for rope and hang yourself.
No.
Because you are just as useless as that rat that just ran past us here.
What's that?
Ifonian. Ifonian. You are just as senseless as I thought. One day, more important issue, please. So you mean that old man is still pestering your father over that little change he lent him? Else, he will firstly take you as his wife?
My sister, I no carry water for mouth talker. I am not joking. The most frustrating thing is that idiot told my father that he'll be coming to my house to pay my bride price next weekend. What are you shouting?
What do you mean? Yeah? So you did not tell your father that I will be coming to pay your bride price soon? Yeah?
Oh my goodness! Marcus! Will you just keep quiet? Eh?
Are you mad? You're putting me! Okay. Come on, do it again. I'll walk out for. Are you mad? What did you do? Don't tell me, mama. Are you mad? Sit down. Ha! Try it again.
Sarah, what do you do about this?
Sister, I don't know, but God knows I will not marry that. That is
Listen. We are not going to fight. There's a better way to handle this.
my husband today.
My wife to be.
My man.
My wife to be. I guess your father informed you of my proposed visit next week.
In fact, that is what we want to talk to you about.
Okay, who are the we?
My friend and I.
Oh yeah.
Okay.
No. So.
What is the meaning? Come on the floor. Madman.
What's the meaning of it?
Take off his shoes. Madman.
You doing well? Okay.
Old man like you. Old man like you. Shut up.
See, Lutanda, you are my friend, my best friend, and I will always give you the best of advice. You need to take a chill pill. You are being too hard on your parents, and it's not fair. You can't continue like this forever. You can't.
Listen, Uche. Whatever treatment my parents are getting from me is as a result of what they did to me. I will never ever forgive them, and that's fine.
See, Lutana, to err is human, and the virtue of forgiveness is divine. You need to forgive them so that you move forward. And right now, your parents must hate me very much. They will think I'm the cause of everything, that I'm not giving you the best of advice. And I'm not comfortable with that. They see me as the only nuisance you perfectly relate with. And it's not cool with me. They will think I'm stealing you away from them since you are with me right now.
So what are you feeling like? Listen, stop feeling important. My mom never liked you. She knows you are a chronic womanizer.
Anyway, in that case, I don't even care. I don't care. Everybody mustn't like me after all. Everybody is entitled to his or her own opinion. I don't care. Their problem is that they don't have taste. They don't. If they have taste, they don't like the type of structured, well-purified women I deal with. They don't have taste.
Shut up.
But see, on a lighter note, you need to visit Suitors.
Oh.
If you see the structured women there, you know, sometimes I wonder if the women there are humans. I'm serious.
I am not interested. You just shut up.
Too many things can happen to a man.
Do they say
He
beds
would
of
decide
percent that
to
are
lock
full
up
together? I
himself.
don't really understand.
He would
I don't know why
decide
you
to
don't
be
like
all
things.
alone.
Come
He
on,
would
women.
decide to speak to
Women are
nobody.
That's the debtor. Father to that Jezebel. That wicked girl that had the guts to welcome me just because I am helping the family.
But you sure can't wait. I'm not going to do this. We're in agreement. We're going to do this to trade by barter.
Trade by barter.
So that you can come to this.
Look at my face.
Look
at my face.
As your wife, and we'll forget everything.
Your daughter and her friend had the guts to panel beat me mercilessly.
What? Are you serious?
Chief Okorafo. She lifted my 2 legs off the ground. My legs nullified the force of gravity.
Sarah!
Officer,
come here! Come here! Hey! Come here! Come here! Have you seen it? No, have you not finished me already? Did I not tell you to allow this man, this good man of our land that has money, to take you over as wife, so that everything will normalize? And you said no. You see, police is involved now. Have you seen police now? Am I not going already?
Officer, take him away now.
Wait. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I don't know what I drank. I drank something that made me act that way. Yes, Papa. I drank something.
So by the time you were beating me, to raising my legs off the ground, you didn't know you drank something. Okay. Officer, take this man out of this place.
In fact, I'm ready. Next weekend, just come with your people. I'm ready.
Next weekend?
Yes.
Did you say next weekend?
Yes, next weekend.
Next weekend?
Yes,
Okay. You'll prove it to me. You'll prove it to me. You prove it to me. Give me a pen. Let me know you're serious. You're not serious? Officer! Move!
Wait!
Warming up. Yes, we're warming up.
Yes. Did you say next weekend? Next week? Next weekend. Yeah?
No problem.
Okay, next weekend.
I can see that. What did you tell me?
Mr. Flash.
Have you seen your own flash?
Papa, Mr. Flash.
Have you seen your own flash?
Papa.
Money.
Young man, I know you have lost your sense of belonging, but certainly not the sense of knowing the difference between dark and light. Do you know what time it is?
Son, we've been so worried sick about you. I know you keep late nights once in a while, but come on, this is 1 a.m. Where have you been?
I have been where I could get some peace. Without anybody asking me stupid questions like, why have you not eaten? Why did you lock yourself up? Why don't you walk around with your guards anymore? Why don't you dress like royalty? I am sick and tired of all those stupid questions.
Watch your tongue, son.
No! You let me have my space, father. Because you both know why I have become the man I am today. Stop acting like you care.
Come on, son. Of course you know we care about you. I'm always heartbroken whenever you sound this way.
Are you serious? Heartbroken? Your heart is 5% broken compared to how mine was when I lost it all. I need to be left alone.
Too many things can happen to a man. He would decide to lock up himself. He would decide to be all alone.
Can you continue to absolve yourself of this blame?
Don't provoke me, woman.
Whatever it is could be deeper than the man, could be deeper than the mind, and it's buried inside the game.
Seriously, I'm surprised though. I mean, who offer a complete non-entity like this one in job?
We complete non-entity.
Wait oh, and what did they say your job will be? A clown? Okay. Hey, come on. At least, okay, yes, we know Marcus sometimes could be a pain in the ass. But at least give him some credit. He has some good sense of reasoning sometimes.
No, be moron, clown. Look at this idiot. Don't idiot.
It's okay.
No sense. Any more progress?
It's enough.
Sorry, my queen. I want to travel to Akopa, to make enough money so I can come and pay your father's debt and then marry you afterwards. Oh. Yes.
Mama. No. Mama. Their marriage is next weekend.
Yes.
And how long do you intend gathering this salary of yours to pay off the debts? I'm sure your new place of work won't pay you daily.
You idiot.
Idiot. Let's just
don't get out of there. I don't know what. See, I don't know. See, I don't know how.
It's okay. Let's just go.
Don't worry. I miss you. Joy. My dear, come.
Marcus.
Come, move now. Hey!
You want to compress her so that she could be as small as your brain?
Small brain, as her brain, work there.
See how firm you held her. But if it's to fight now, you will run. You will lose all your strength. Even before the fight starts.
And I will hold her.
Hey, idiot. Marcus, it's okay. Let's just go.
Let's go. Nonsense.
Mbechi. You're traveling to us. Stop it. Let's go. Let's go. I love you.
My dear, the quietness in this palace scares me most times. Every day seems as if you are mourning someone. Same routine, no parties or celebration whatsoever. What's happening?
Just the other day, the queen almost tore me into shreds because I did not serve the prince his meal, knowing fully well that anyone that dares enter his room is as good as dead. I don't even know if we are still safe in this palace anymore.
You know, at times I wish that everything could go back the way it used to be. I miss that happiness. joy and peace we all used to have here.
When you talk about happiness and laughter that used to be here, it all sounds strange to me. Because the faces I see here now don't seem like faces that have ever seen smile before.
I think the cook knows everything. Yes, she knows everything. The last time I asked her, she said she would never say a word to anybody. That she would never tell the story to anybody. Yes, that they were warned never to tell the story to anybody. I wonder, honestly, it baffled me.
So bad. The prince seems really nice. The other day I heard him talking on the phone with somebody. For the very first time in a long time, I heard him laugh.
Really?
And I was very, very shocked.
Also, last night, I dreamed that the king,
Too many things can happen to a man. He would decide to lock up himself. He would decide to be all alone. He would decide to speak to nobody. Whatever it is, could be deeper than the mind, could be deeper than the mind, and it's buried inside the game.
So of all the times to travel, it is now that my father wants to marry me off to an old man that you decided to leave.
This is why I have to leave quickly, so that I can come back and marry you off.
Doesn't your stupidity surprise you sometimes? We both know that her marriage is in 5 days' time. You are here talking about to pay debt and come to marry her. See, let me tell you something. If she wasn't going to marry Ichie, she would have furthered the education since he came back.
Wait, Marcus. What were you thinking? That even if I don't marry Ichie, I would have married you?
Yeah, of course, yes. Oh, yes, of course.
Marcus. Marcus, listen. I love you like a brother.
Oh.
Truly I do.
I know.
You're like the brother I never had.
Oh.
But I'll miss you dearly.
I'll miss you. I have a gift for you.
Seriously?
Yes. Hold this one.
Listen, no, just let me have my gift.
Hey!
Yes.
Hey!
This is from me to you.
Of course.
I have this one too.
This is boot of life. Boot! My boot! Bam! Hey! My course!
Yes. You know what? I have to give you this boot so that you will always remember me.
Till I die, Marcus! Till I die, I will remember you. Hey! Boot! My boot! Hey! Marcus!
Eh?
Welcome.
I have to.
My man! Now let's go. Well, he doesn't see you that way. I think Marcus likes you a lot. Huh? Sarah, what on earth are you doing with Marcus' bag? Hey! No now, no. Hey! See, the address to his new workplace. Hey, no, this is not. I have to run back to the park to see if I will still meet him. Yeah, Sarah! Let's go!
Iba Igwene?
Yeah.
Iba Igwene?
Yeah.
Iba Igwene? I am very delighted that a day such as this
finally came. The day when I am going to give out my one and only daughter out in marriage to my very good friend, Ichi Okorafa, the only credible money lender of our land. Very reliable. I am so delighted because I have come to the conclusion that my daughter will not be happier any other place other than the bosom of my very good friend.
True talk. Yeah. Tell them. But enough of this talking. Please, I want to see my wife and take her home. Since all the marital rights have been concluded. Of course. You can see I'm getting impatient.
No. Okorafa, you don't have to be impatient. You can see our Ishie is already here to confirm to you that everything has been concluded. So you calm down, my very good friend. Maboge, please, you can bring my daughter out. No time to waste anymore. So that we can start to drink and start to eat what they cook. She so much reminds me of her mother. Please, it's your right. You are the head of the family. You fulfill your duties.
The balloon is Maya. You were Zukani, you know, John.
Oh yeah. That is the final process.
Hey. Yeah, mom.
What? What's the meaning of this? What kind of joke is this? What is this? Hey!
Didn't you hear him? He has been asking you, where is your friend?
Mama, I don't know. She just told me to help her hold her clothes. That she wanted to take something from outside. I know it was the last time I saw her.
You are a liar. You are a liar. Eh? How can you say you don't know the whereabouts of your friend? But when they called for the bride, you came out. Are you the one they came to marry? Eh?
Listen to me, okay?
Why are you holding this information that I know you have? Why are you not telling me what I want to hear? Because I know you are aware of where she is. Where's your friend? Where's your friend?
Please, just collect it, please. Sarah.
don't understand what you're saying. Can you at least hear yourself out?
Okay, if you cannot do this for me, then I can't call you a friend. It's just to wear this, please.
Sarah, you are complicating this matter. If you never wanted to marry this man, why agree to the occasion at the first place?
Wait, just bring your voice down. I did not agree to the occasion, I swear. That idiot broke me by bringing one useless officer here to arrest my father. I had no choice than to give in. Please, just help me wear this. I need to teach that idiot a lesson.
By asking me to wear your marriage uniform and present myself as his wife. Where does that happen?
Okay, please. Nothing will happen, I promise you, nothing. I have to leave Akokwa right now to meet Marcus. Just wear this and present yourself as me. After that, I'm sure that idiot will leave my father alone. Please. Please stop looking at me. Just go. Okay, go. Okay, go now.
Mama, I don't know where she is. I don't know where she is.
If you don't want to say the truth, then shut up.
Huh?
How come you say you don't know the whereabouts of your close friend after all that happened? Eh?
Hey, listen, okay. I will leave. But I'm coming back. I don't know why you want me to kill you. Because I am very certain you have this information. Momoge, please, take your time and ask your daughter to explain whereabouts of my daughter, because I know she has that information. I am leaving now and I'm going to come back. When I am back here and you fail to tell me what I want to hear, you are just crying because your mother gave you a knock. By the time I will knock you with this my walking stick, the ground will open and swallow you. You call yourself okay. Let me come back and you are not telling me what I want to hear. You might not give you a little for real.
I will kill you with my bare hands. If you don't tell him where his daughter is, I will kill you. Do you know the business I run here? It is called brothel. And if I should break it down to you, it is cash and carry. The only language and the only thing I want to hear now is money. When are you paying me my money, Aneta?
Exactly why I'm here. I have a way I can start paying you back.
How?
There is a babe that came to Akokwa. From my interaction with her, she's stranded and needs a place to stay. I am thinking that I should bring her to you so that she'll start working for you and you'll be paying her. You know, you start deducting what I owe you.
So, where is the babe?
Her name is Sarah, a beautiful babe from London.
Our land of peace and progress. Don't forget, always add it.
I am sure you'll find her useful.
I see. Beautiful girl.
Chantal, Chantal, you are the bomb. You didn't tell me you are this amazing. Man, where did you get that syndicate of genital tsunami? Man, this girl named that babe. Do you know this girl made me speak Korean? I didn't know I could speak Korean. Do you know what I spoke? Sing to one time, one out for just shut up. What? Shut up. Did you just tell me to shut up, Chantal? You asked me to shut up. Are you crazy? Do you know who you are talking to?
Do you know you're talking to us, baby, man? You asked me to shut up. What is wrong? Are you crazy? Do you know what I can do to you? Why are you insulting me? What is your problem, man? Don't insult me. I'm just warning you.
Mr. Arch, or whatever you call yourself, it's time to pay. You're not leaving here today until you pay up every dime that you owe. And in case you don't have cash, don't worry. We now have a solution. This debit machine. So just bring your card and start paying. If you really want to live here today.
Oh my. Hold on. This is madness. Do you have the approval of the king? No, do you have the permission of the king of Akopa Kingdom to bring this bullshit here? So this is the estate it has gone. Now you have digitalized this business that men go about carrying debit card to pay for the bullshit. Huh? See, the king must hear this. The king must. What is the meaning of this?
And did you inform the king before coming here to shine free Ocean?
Can you get your filthy hands off my. Do you know how much I bought this?
You cannot leave here today until you pay up every dime that you owe.
Why? You touched me.
Listen to me. I have already instructed the bouncers to deal with you mercilessly if you fail to comply.
Is this one of the bouncers? Leave me, man. See, you don't know how to play.
You are going nowhere.
You don't know how to play.
Don't try me.
Lotala, your father will not be happy if he sees me in this position, regardless of everything that is going on. Son, I don't have any other choice than to beg you to let everything go. Please forgive us. We are sorry. See, we will try and do everything possible to right all our wrongs. Listen, son, I am hurting. Your father is aging and getting weaker by the day. Please forgive us. I wish there was a way we could go through this life again on a different track. Son, forgive us, please.
Hello, Uche.
You need to come here in 10 minutes time. If you don't come here in 10 minutes time, I am going to commit mass murder. I'm going to kill because I'm in the mood to kill.
Are you okay? Where are you at?
I'm at Suki's. Where else will I be? I'm at Suki's. Come and see. We need to hurry up. I don't want to kill anybody. I'm in the mood to kill.
Alright, see you soon.
What is going on? What is wrong with Uche? Is he okay?
Too many things can happen to a man. He will decide to lock up himself. He will decide to be all alone. He will decide to speak to nobody.
Be careful, son.
Whatever it is could be deeper than the mind. Could be deeper than the mind. And is buried inside the game.
Bros, this money way with the talk, na small. You be fine man. You wear shirt wey stand, stash. Pay the money. Why you dey distress yourself? Why you embarrassing yourself? Give her the money so you can go. Small money.
Chantal, what is the meaning of this? Who is this classless idiot you brought here? You brought in this enclave that is insulting herself, thinking she's insulting me. What's the meaning of that?
Man, pay up your money and stop looking at another girl. Pay me my money.
See, don't shout. Don't shout on Ochman. Don't shout on
Now you
Ochman. I'll deal with you. See, I'll do something here. No, I did, man. I did. I'm holding here. Bring my shirt, man.
So what's going on?
Oga, this Osho Freeman here came to shag my girls. He's always coming here to shag them for free or on credit. Now I asked him to pay. He is telling me stories. Every day he will come here and shag for free. This is my office. This is my business. He should pay me my money.
It's okay, it's okay.
Come on. What is this girl talking about? This girl is stupid, Lotana. Tell them who the ultimate baby is now. See, let me explain this. Man, you remember in biology, symbiotic relationship where two people are enjoying the same thing. That is the case here. See, this girl, I was giving it to them the way they like it. I was shagging them real good. They confessed to me that they love it. And I'm a good customer too, because once I come, I give it to them. They were not complaining. So what are you talking about? It's a symbiotic relationship.
It's okay, it's okay.
Calm down.
Stop, okay? Please, how much are we talking about?
What are you talking? The money is 30,000. And for breach of contract, 20 extra thousand. Making it 50,000 naira.
Fuck! What is she talking about? What are you talking about? See, you are crazy. You see, Chantel, you are crazy. If not for my friend here, I'll kill you. What are you talking about? See, Lotana, see the issue here. See the issue. When I was doing it to them, they were the people that practically requested for more.
It's okay. Leave him alone. You heard me, leave him alone.
Take your filthy hands off my bucatino.
Leave him.
The prince said, take your filthy hands off my bucatino.
I should leave him.
Leave me, man.
It's okay, relax.
See, Relax.
God. Stop now. So, in a nutshell, we're talking about 50k, right?
Bam.
So, all good.
No, now, Lotana. You want to fall for this cheap blackmail?
This is shameful.
Okay.
Forget shame. You can't give them this money now.
This
is a symbiotic relationship.
Thank you very much, sir. You get
them this money.
I got better girls for you. You hear? Come back, don't mind this move.
Tell them. You don't know. Who is this bitch, man? See, I'll kill somebody. I'll kill somebody here.
I don't want to see you here again. Why are you asking useless questions about my client? Yes, your client. Hi. Auntie, that man cannot be your client. It is written all over him. He cannot patronize this kind of place. What? What do you mean this kind of place? Are you not here for business? What business? Hey! Madam, listen, I am not a prostitute. No! My name is Sarah, a decent maiden from Nando, our land of peace and progress. Don't forget, I am here to see my brother. So why did you bundle yourself to the place of my business? Madam, I did not bundle myself here. That woman that brought me here, I gave her 1,000 naira. 1,000 to bring me here. And she brought you here because she believed you can play. Listen up, my dear. There is no big deal in this. There is no big deal. You have what it takes to do this business. Look at your chest. Look at your bum bum. Look at your body. You are still intact. You will be on hot demand, baby. Just agree to do this business with me. I will give you a room at the 4th line. And in a few weeks' time, you will be in money. Give me information about that good man that came to build that idiot, that stupid man. If you can lead me to him, I will give you an answer. Deal? Deal! Do we have a deal? Deal! Aye! Connect one.
Hello.
Hi.
How may I help you?
Boss, is this not a bar? I am here to drink. Are you looking down on me? Bros.
Listen, this is not just a bar. This place is called the Parliament. Exclusive bar here in Akwa for the high and mighty. I don't mean to insult you. You are not qualified to come in here. Now, I'm ordering you to take your leave.
Hi. Bros. At least if you don't fear me, fear my boots. See. I am here to see my boyfriend. My boyfriend is inside. And let me pass.
Who is your boyfriend? Is your boyfriend inside the Parliament?
My boyfriend is inside that thing where you come. He's inside. If you don't believe me, go with me inside. You see him.
Now, get out of here. Get out of here before I do something I will regret.
They shout now. This mountain I thought they shout. Calm down.
Hey!
Men need to see these girls. My man, they are pure. Oh my God. Do you know women are God? Do you remember what the Bible says about the feeling you have when you are in the presence of God? That is the same feeling I had when I was with them. It just made me to come to a logical conclusion that women are God.
Which can I tell you, son?
Shoot.
Common sense is not common. Oh yes, you heard me. Why are you choosing to be stupid? Huh? Can't you just learn? Can't you talk sense for once? What do you mean by women are God?
What is your problem? Is it my fault that I...
Uche, how did this thing get in here? Huh?
You see, the way she's behaving, she looks like an ancestral spirit sent from your village to torment your life.
Uche, be serious for once. How did she get in here?
Why are you asking me that question? Do I look like a relative?
And to crown it all, she's smoking at me like, are you sure she's alright?
I think she's into you. She likes you. I mean, for once. For once, man.
Bros. This is... Hey, that bros call again. Parliament. Parliament exclusive bar. Give me something exclusive to drink. Exclusive drink.
Which I told you, be careful. Mama got a model.
Where are you going? How did you manage to come inside here?
Bros, you shouldn't be concerned about how I got here. I asked for exclusive drink. Give me the drink. Exclusive drink.
you think I'm here to joke? You think I'm here to joke? You obtained me by trick, and I do not want to explore the legal options open to me.
Why are you talking about legal options here? Does it mean you don't have human sympathy at all? It's my daughter that we are talking about that went missing. Ever since then, I have not set my eyes on my daughter. I don't know what has become of her.
That's your stupid daughter. How does that concern me? Look, by this visit, I've taken possession of that your collateral land, and by this time tomorrow, you'll be signing the documents that will enable me to sell that land and recover my money.
How can you be thinking of selling that land which you could afford? You know it yourself that the land we are talking about is worth far more than the money that you gave me. So why are you thinking of selling the land?
Tell that to the birds. I've made up my mind on that, and that is final. If I return here tomorrow and you don't sign the papers, I will arrest you and you will rot in jail. What? Look at this man. You and that your stupid daughter think this is the way I run my business, and I'm still staying in business.
Enough of this. Enough of this. How can you say that he's stupid? You're the one that is stupid. In fact, I am the one who is very stupid to have agreed to give my daughter to you. Are you qualified to marry my daughter? Look at you. From your head to your legs. Are you qualified to marry my daughter? No, you have already warmed up to plug on my... It's not possible. What about all these old women and all these widows have been dating in this village? You thought we don't know? Now it's my daughter.
You still have the guts to talk to me. Nah, if I return tomorrow, you must rot in jail. I will arrest you, and you will rot in jail.
Let your head open.
We shall see.
Let your head open.
We shall see.
That girl is a real clown. So all the while she was displaying those eye and leg movements, she was actually trying to attract your attention.
My brother, it was really funny and serious at the same time. I was angry, but at the point she got me laughing.
You see?
She was behaving like some sort of Barbie that was being controlled with a remote.
That girl is fun. You see, it was actually your ancestors that knew you were very angry. They intentionally set that girl to put a smile on this your hard face.
I wish you the same. What did you drink, Jerry?
Well, give me vodka, man.
Okay, cool.
Lutanda. Hey. On eyes, remember.
Sarah, this thing you're trying to do now is a breach of contract, and I can sue you for it. I hope you know that.
Sue me for this?
Yes, sue me.
Because I know I'm a prostitute.
Madam, clean this thing with the only. What? Why they talk nonsense? Why? Listen to me. You pleaded with me to help you locate the guy that came here to beg Arch Baby, and which I did. And with the promise that you're going to run shows with me if I assist you. Sarah, I kept to my own part of the bargain. I went to the extent of getting a keke man that took you to the parliament, and I'm certain you met the guy. Why then are you leaving? Why are you not keeping to your own side of the bargain?
I'm leaving because I came to Akokwa to see my brother, I mean my friend, Marcos. I am here to see him, not to be a prostitute. Please, I need to go.
Then where is the Marcos?
The keke man that brought me back yesterday said he will help me locate the address. All I need to do is just to ring him online and he'll be here to take me there. I want to go. Hi.
Sarah, listen to me. Listen. I want you to have a change of heart. They will think of leaving this business. Eh? You have all it takes. You have everything my customers want. Just look at everywhere still standing. You have everything my customers want, Sarah. You are a beautiful girl. You are a pretty girl. Eh? See, I'm assuring you. I'm promising you once again. If you stay back here in this business and run shows with me, you're going to be one of the latest babes in town. You're going to be rich, as in very rich. Don't you want to have money?
All drugs later. Oh, please. You can do it. You're a beautiful girl. Thank you very much. I know sir, fine. That's what my mama bought me. I know sir, fine. Leave me alone.
Are you just feeling like that?
Madam, please.
Please come back. Hey! You sure say that address when I give in at the house with this? Just like here my brother they work.
Madam, I don't know your brother and I don't know where in the work, but that address will show me at the place be this. Obi is maze of Akokwa, 9 place be this.
Hey!
Madam,
let me see. Backwards, don't catch big fish. Wait, my brother don't catch big fish.
Give my money, man, they go beg.
Vex, no vex. I will pay you. Marcos.
Hey, madam, wait, man. Wait me this. My money na 500 naira, they give me 300.
Oga, don't allow your village people use you shine this afternoon. Now me you want carry play. Now be that short place where you carry me come from. Now they charge me 500 because I know no road. Come to them.
She said, Chris, there your hair. Which kind of talk?
No, let me blow you.
Blow it.
Okay, I go kick you.
Kick fire.
I go kick you.
Fire.
Okay, my boss. I say give me.
No wahala now. Now don't do now. Oh, no problem.
Why would Marcus allow a madman run into his company?
You don't know until you find out from him. Marcus!
Yes, Your Majesty. Come here.
Your Highness, who is that woman behind you? And what is she doing here? What was all that noise outside for?
Tell them I'm not a woman. I'm a babe now.
Your Majesty, we're from the same village. Yes, we're from the same village, Nando. Nando.
Nando.
Yes.
Nando.
A madman pursued her. Then I rescued her. She's my sister.
Your sister, you said?
Yes, Your Majesty.
And why is she dressed like this?
And those shoes.
Ha! Marcus, you never tell them. Auntie, see, eh?
It's Your Majesty.
Sorry, I'm not even tell myself. Your Majesty, where I come from, you see this boot? Now boot of life. No joke, oh! Ancient of days. If this shoe step, you cannot carry. Your Majesty, okay, tell me now. If I was wearing this big agbada would I wear now, how would I be able to chase that keke? Okay, so that madman that was outside that was chasing me, I won't be able to chase him now. Forget this shine one now here. No calculator with this boot when you see for yourself. This boot, you cannot try it.
I beg your pardon.
I'm trying to explain to you. Auntie, leave this boot.
Your Majesty.
Your Majesty. This boot is one in. Hey, my friend. What about your friend? I mean that one I saw that day.
You know yourself?
Not try him, but my friend now.
You shut up. Who's your friend? I don't know her.
Marcus.
Your Majesty.
Take this thing out of this compound.
Go. No, Marcus. Leave her. Yeah? You just heard Marcus say she's his sister. Please. Let her be.
Let her be where? You still want her to stay here after what she said about her regalia?
So, come on. You know, sometimes you might not like this kind of things, but I mean, she's okay. She could do for a palace muse.
Excuse me?
Come on, it's been sad and boring in this palace. Someone to make us laugh? It's a good one, don't you think so?
I can't stand this.
Hey, what did you say that your name was?
Brother. Hey. Sarah, Your Majesty. Oh, Your Majesty. Bro! See, my station. I want a job for this place. Okay. Your Majesty.
Wow. Yeah? So, your father really arranged this marriage to take place?
I mean, if not for the intervention of God and the help of Ogi, I would have been married to that old baboon, that ugly thing that calls himself Ichiokurafo.
You are really lucky, oh. Eh? So that old man, that old fool, will just carry my wife like that. It will not happen.
Hey, Marcus.
Eh?
Hold your ear.
What do you mean?
I say hold your ear.
Well,
this is the last time I'm going to warn you. Don't call me your wife again. Don't try am. Now let me shout, maybe people come outside for here. Don't call me your wife again. You hear me? You ask me what happened. Don't try am again. Make I don't hear you. No.
Say.
Sarah, the king wishes to see you at the royal sitting room.
Me?
Yes.
What I do? I don't commit Nana.
I wouldn't know. Please, don't keep the king waiting.
The thing is that probably the king want to ask you.
And you, if you like, don't go back to your post. Remain here and let the prince come down. You are finished.
Cow, come Susan. Your cow like how cow. Hey.
When the unknown visited, everywhere became calm, like a graveyard.
Boys, and you had to disguise yourself as a boy to participate?
Yes, so my king. I have to. See, in my village, when the girls are competing, the winner goes home with either a gallon of red oil or 1 crate of mineral. But when the boys are competing, he goes home with a full live goat. Only him, 1 goat. So tell me, my king, if you were my shoes, which one would you partake in?
Hey, stop asking the king stupid questions. Just go on with your silly joke.
Well, my dear, I think you made the right decision. That was very good. Who won the competition?
My king, now that one you dey ask. Okay. Now that one you dey ask small. I won. When you look me, you no see dance for my body. I dey dance, so no try me for stepping. I dey step. Hey.
So that means you're a good dancer.
Sharply. My moves epic. If I begin dance here, you are queen. Now go inside.
So you can show us some of those your epic moves now.
Why not? If you don't get music, tell me. I go to sing with my mouth. They dance the same time.
Put some music for her. Let's see. So that she can show me the stuff she's made of.
Sarah. Hi! Yes, sis. You know what kind of song? Yes, sis. Hi! Part 1. Part 2.
Why you see me?
Part 3.
If I show you the main one. You know the dance step, Bobby?
Marcus.
Yes, my prince.
Where is that dustbin?
Huh?
Where is that dustbin?
Dustbin?
I mean that stupid sister of yours.
Okay, she's inside.
Before I come back, make sure she has left this house. Do you understand?
Yes, my prince.
Marcus, I'm begging you food. Yes, now I'm eating already. Please, can you tell me more about her?
More about who?
Tell me more about Sarah. Sarah, yes.
No. Tell you more about Sarah. As in what?
You know, you told me that Sarah is your sister and that she is from your town.
Yes. Sarah is my sister and from my town, my town Nando.
Yes.
A land of peace and progress. Yes.
Yeah.
Do you have any problem with that?
No, I don't have any problem with that. But the only problem I have now is that I think you are the one that's going to solve that problem for me now. I just want to know more about her.
Buchi, where is this nonsense coming from? Don't tell me that you have been looking at her.
No, listen, it hasn't gotten to that. It's not nonsense yet. She was invited before the king today, and something led to the other. And she started dancing for the king.
Are you serious? Yeah. You don't know Sarah? Sarah is a mermaid.
She is.
When it comes to dancing.
She is.
You know what they call Okoso? That is Sarah. She dance today.
I can see her.
In my town, Nando, people pay her to dance.
Okay.
How much did the king pay her to dance?
The king. That is not actually the issue now. The issue now is that is why I came to you. You see that, Sarah? I want to make her mine.
Yes. What did I hear you say now?
I want to make her mine.
You idiot. Come on, Susan. You want to make her mine? I said,
Listen to me. Listen to me. When she was dancing before the king today, everything in me stood up. Let me tell you, I can go.
Don't touch this body again.
Let me tell you, I am willing to give you my life savings if only you can link me to her. And I know you will do it as a friend. What are friends for?
God will punish you and punish your life service. Say that's a work or no? No. Is this what this palace has become? A madhouse where people don't manage their business. What's the problem? Now let me make it clear to you. If I ever see you near Sarah, you are dead. I will kill you and go back to Nando. Yes.
Let me ask you, are you sure that this Sarah you are protecting with all your life is your sister? Because you don't want anybody to come close.
You idiot! You dropped everything, you stood up. Everything you stood up. You idiot! I can kill you here, I'll go back to Nando. Go, get out. Come, move it. Come, move it. You idiot! Everything you stood up. Come, police you and police your life service. I want to know more about that. I want to know. You know, school will punish you and your generation. See that, man? Oh! What?
The king and the queen will join you soon. Enjoy your marriage. Keep it there if you can't use it.
are you doing here?
I'm sorry, my queen.
My friend, get out.
Hold on, Sarah. She couldn't have come here on her own accord. I ordered that she dines with us.
No, Your Majesty, no. You can't do this to me. This is taking leniency to an unacceptable level. No!
And you will do nothing, my dear queen. Sometimes you need to try a little kindness. It wouldn't hurt. You have tolerated a lot before now. Why don't you tolerate this? I have this feeling that she is a credible friend to the family. So let's give her some credible space.
Whatever that happened to the cutlery,
Again, I've been planning to ask, why is the prince not here with the royal heads? Sorry, I'm just concerned with it. My child, again, better man. Thank God you know I am already a friend to the family. You see your son? Hey! Fine boy. Very fine. You fine like him, mama. But every time I see him, he's always angry. And when they smile, scary, very withdrawn. What's his problem?
It's a long story. But I believe time will heal.
Asinobu makome nanio ejele makome nani wo no maduo ife melunwa drama.
Did I say anything wrong? Why did you do this? What did I say?
if only you knew how much I despise you, you wouldn't be talking to me.
Should I blame myself for all this? Did I turn my own son into a monster overnight? I don't even know him anymore. His anger is getting worse by the day. He does not even listen to one speaking. And I'm getting weaker by the day. The king in his might should not lose his blood when his skin is not bleeding. What must I do? How do I remedy this?
Don't dare it. I'm telling you now. Don't ask him anything. Let me tell you, since I entered into this palace, the only words I've ever received from the prince is yes, my prince. If he comes here and I say, hey, open that gate. Yes, my prince. Close that gate, idiot. Yes, my prince. Yeah? You want to ask him why he's like that? Don't try it, too. Don't try it.
Will he kill me? Is he a monster? He will kill me if I talk to her.
Hi.
See, the king is a very nice man. Very nice. But sometimes when I see him, if you don't know how to look at me, his face is like this.
Eh?
He is always sad. Very sad. I need to talk to the prince. I need to talk to him.
Sarah! Say, what's your problem? Sarah, don't put me into trouble. What's this? Yeah?
I will talk.
Don't tell me that, dude. Listen.
I will talk.
See, now that you have been employed in this palace, they have assigned you to be a muse, not a counselor or an advisor. Mind that. Don't put me in trouble.
I will talk.
Don't put me into trouble,
I
Sarah.
will talk.
Sarah, you will talk.
I will talk. Now me get my mouth. I will talk. It is not your mouth. It is my mouth.
The Queen Mother orders to see you immediately.
Oh, you see it. You see it. You see it.
One is there.
Don't tell me to move.
Warner. Anytime she go come, they shake her head like Agama lizard.
What is your problem?
Queen Mother wants to see. Warner, are they there? Wonder girl, though. Tell her for now, they are there. I don't get joy. Warner, don't tell Queen Mother. Because if not for Nando, I will show her better.
This is not Nando, Sarah. This is not Nando.
What is it?
Sure.
What is it?
Her Majesty, she is coming. Is there another thing I will do for you?
Thank you. Listen, I did not call you here for us to have a conversation. Therefore, you have to keep quiet while I talk. Is that clear?
Okay.
Shut up! I said, shut up. I said, keep quiet while I talk. By the way, were you about calling me Ma again?
I'm sorry.
Shut up! Are you this dumb? Listen, your job here is quite different. That thing they called you here for, you must stick to it. No walking around the palace, no gossiping, and no poking your nose into matters that are not your business. Is that clear? Okay. Shut up! You were employed here to make the king laugh. You must stick to it. And make sure I am not part of your silly jokes. Is that clear? Yes. Shut up. Just get out. Nuisance. Get out.
For royalty is big business. In the royal house, there is a permanent interest.
Why are you this dumb? Yes. That paper is upside down. So what are you reading?
So you can actually laugh. I mean, so your face could actually open up. But why does everybody keep saying I'm dumb?
It's simple. Because you are dumb.
Well. Well, at least none of the intelligent people in this house has been able to make you laugh. I cannot be that dumb and still make you laugh.
Father, I want to know what that little brat is doing in this palace.
Modest language, son. And who is this person you speak of with so much disdain?
I'm talking about your new staff. The one you employed to make you laugh.
Oh, Sarah. What has she done to you? Moreover, I employed her here to make everybody in the palace laugh. At least to brighten this palace.
It's not necessary. It's not necessary, Father. It's not. I don't even enjoy her silly jokes. She's more of a distraction. I want her to leave.
On whose orders? I make decisions here. I say who stays and who goes. I hired her here. And when I don't see any need for her anymore in this palace, I will let her go. And more importantly, always remember you are royalty.
That girl in question is Marcus's sister, who supposedly needs help. Son, always led to help.
Are we still on this topic? Your Majesty, why do you make us appear heartless? We do not need that girl here. A man in your position should always listen to the opinions of his people.
I respect your opinion all the time, and you cannot say I do not respect your opinion. Allow that lady that ran to us for help enjoy some peace. This is my decision.
And I can see how your decision is helping this family.
Too many things can happen to a man. He would decide to lock up himself. He would decide to be all alone.
When did all this
He
start?
would decide to speak to nobody.
I'll be talking to my husband and you wouldn't listen.
Whatever
When you make some sense.
could be deeper than the mind. Could be deeper than the mind. And it's buried inside the game.
I am the girl from Nando. Fine girl with the swag go. When she dey sing, they run go. Sarah, you dey rap, you dey sing. Welcome, the world best rapper. Say, I need to change my name. I need swag. Sarah Lynn Shaw. Sarah Lynn. Oh, I gotta see, wanna sing, I come on, wanna sing.
How dare you?
Ma?
Will you shut up? You little silly worthless parasite. How dare you upset my son? No, your mother. Have I not warned you to stay away from my son? Have I not also warned you to stop meddling in the affairs of this palace? What gave you the audacity to speak to my son?
Your Highness, a joke. I just say make her laugh small. It's only a joke. I didn't do anything, I'm not joke.
Will you shut up? Listen, if you want to make people laugh, go out there, pick a form, join a theater group. Or does this palace look like a stage to you?
I'm sorry, Your Highness.
Just shut up. Listen, stay away from my son. Stay away from me. Stay away from my... You know what? You can actually crack up the king with your tired jokes. But do not ever meddle with the affairs of this palace again. And don't come anywhere close to my son.
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, shut up. Silly thing.
Hey! Hey! The king said I should make everybody laugh. Now joke! Why everybody dey vex? Every time they vex. Don't crack up my king with the tired jaw. Put me out. If I go talk, shut up. I will shut up. What do you do now? Money don't finish. What do you do now? Back up to the stage, Sarah.
My prince, Marcus is here.
Greeting, my prince.
My prince, we didn't do anything.
No. You can leave.
Right, my prince.
Marcus.
My prince.
Marcus.
My prince.
Marcus.
My prince.
How many times did I call you?
3.
If I stand up here, you know the implications, right? If you don't want me to stand up, just tell me exactly what I want to hear.
Please, my prince, don't stand up. Don't stand up, I beg of you. You just ask me anything you want to ask me, and I will tell you everything I know.
Good. That maiden my father hired, who is she?
My prince, her name is Sarah, daughter of Ichi Okanando of our town. Our town is Nando.
Spare me useless details. Who is she to you?
My prince, she's our town's girl. We grew up together. I also know that she can dance very well.
Why did you bring her here?
Hey, no. I'm not the one that brought her here. She ran away from the village. In fact, my prince, it is a long story.
Listen, I don't have time for your useless long story. The same way you brought her into this palace, find a way and take her out. Else you will lose your job.
Please, don't send me away. I am working here to save some money to better my life. If you fire me, I am finished.
You know I hate talking too much.
Yes,
Handle that girl. Else I will handle you.
What? Did I know who you want to talk to the prince? Or get anywhere close to him?
Did I talk to him? I did not talk to him. He was the one that spoke to me first.
Yes. Even if he's the one that spoke to you first, why did you answer?
Why did I answer? As my baby, I know they talk again. I should not answer. Am I there for Marcus, please, leave me alone. I am partially doing my job.
Well, that your partial job is partially destroying my own. Sarah, please stay away from Prince and his mother. They don't like you. They don't like you at all. Sarah. Three times, oh. 3 times. Now, if you cannot stay away or stay on your own, go in there, quietly pack your things and go back to the village. What nonsense? Yeah? No. Don't go back. Don't go. Hey! If you go back to the village now, your father will marry you off to that old fool, that geographer, that idiot. Stay. Yeah, stay. But please, stay on your own. Oh? Don't go close to them.
I've heard you. I will stay away from them.
Good.
Go now.
Let me touch you again.
Touch me for what?
Hey. Okay. Let me.
Please just go. Go now. Stop touching me. Don't drag me like that next time.
You know I have come to like you very much, in as much as you're not well educated. You're intelligent and you have a good sense of humor.
Thank you very much, my king. Thank you. Other people think otherwise. They think I'm stupid.
No, you're not, my daughter. You just need a little touch up. You learn to listen when people speak. Speak only when you're spoken to. Dress well, walk like a lady, and act like one. Trust me, you will not believe the level of respect you will command from people. Because you're a good woman.
I want to learn. There's no one to teach me.
My friend, will you teach me? I mean to walk, talk when you are being...
Right on time. Lieutenant, please come. I want to have a word with you. I need you to do something for me. Okay? I want you to take Sarah to a very good beauty parlor. Made up. Then take her to a very good makeover so she can look better than what she's looking now. Buy her some clothes. I know you know what time it is. Buy her some clothes. Go to my car, take my debit card, and spend all you can. This is a joke, right? I won't. Listen, Lieutenant. We may have our differences, but I still remain your father. You will do as I say. And if I don't? This is a direct order from the king and not your father. You will do exactly as I say.
Isioma! Isioma! Come. Follow me. Come. Something is really happening in this palace. Something we have not seen for a long time. And I wonder what is going on.
You are talking in riddles. What is it that is happening in the palace?
From nowhere, a strange maiden came looking for Marcus. And before anyone could know what is happening, she has been employed in this palace and was given a room.
I don't get it. Do you want to challenge the decision of the king? Or do you want to be fired?
Not exactly what I am saying. As we speak right now, the prince just drove out with the strange maiden. What will you call that?
Wait, Adama. Must you joke with everything? Which prince are you talking about?
The one and only Prince Lotana of Akokwa Kingdom. The same prince that will never respond when you greet him. He's not taking a strange maiden on a ride. Now explain that to me. They say a mohawk I want. Mohawk. Make sure it come like this. Strong mohawk. You want that? Oh yeah. Please what? Who exactly are you to Ezra? Madam, I don't understand the question. I don't understand this question. Just do my hair.
Walk. You don't need to misunderstand me. I'm just curious. The prince brought you here. That the king gave instructions that I transform you into a classic chick. To confirm the assertion, he paid with the king's debit card. See, you know that cannot happen if you don't have anything to do with the king. Hi. I don't understand why you're asking me these questions. I work at the palace, and the king has decided to spend his money on me. What's it concern you? Maybe they don't pay you to do your work. You said what things comes back. Pay. No, I'll get that. No more. You don't need to rush me so that I'll get it well.
Your Majesty, what is going on here? Why are you so agitated?
Greetings, father. Greetings, mother.
Greetings, son.
Young man, where is the lady you went out with? Excuse me. What lady?
Sarah, of course. You left this palace with her under my instructions. To take her to the beauty parlor, to the salon, and then shop for her. In fact, I'm already receiving debit alerts. You should remember that, or are you under amnesia?
What? Your Majesty, you mean you asked my son to take that low life to a beauty parlor and a boutique? For what? As what? As a chauffeur?
Oh yes, I did. So where is she?
I forgot her.
What? You forgot a human being like yourself? How could you do such a thing? What happens to my instruction? I asked you to go with her to the beauty parlor, wait for her to do the makeover. When she's done, you bring her back.
I can't believe what I'm hearing. You mean this whole thing is happening under my nose?
Father, the last time I checked, I am a prince, not a god. Like you said, you got debit alerts. That means you know where your money went to. Send someone to pick her up, or better still, pick her up yourself.
Hey, listen, young man. Don't you ever talk to me in that manner. Else!
Your Majesty, I cannot be... My goodness.
Wow.
Those shoes again?
Wow.
What? Why did they look me like that? What is it?
Sarah, if I tell you that I'm not surprised at this your transformation, come here like that. Look at you. You look so beautiful.
Oh, wait, let me ask you. Is it this thing you call beauty? Hey, this one must suffer. If you see when this woman was making me up, tell me, put your eye like this. Do like this. She was hitting my face. Hitting. Now suffer. It took her so long to finish this makeup. Oh, my face now very heavy. I'm feeling like I'm carrying cement, mud, concrete, block on this my face.
You are lying. Consider her. You are lying. You look so beautiful. Look at it. Just look at me. You look so beautiful. By the way, how did you manage to find yourself back to the palace?
Hey.
Because I was so surprised when the prince returned without you. I thought probably he has taken you back to the village.
Huh?
Yes, back to Nando. I was so surprised when I saw you at the gate. That was when I lost my mind.
That woman that did all this transformation, may God bless her. She begged one of her customers to come and drop me here. When I told her I don't know my way home, or I don't have any number of anybody to come and pick me up from the beauty parlor. She seems to know a lot about the palace.
Lucky you.
You like it?
I love it. Sarah, but wow, why did you spoil this wonderful outfit with this old boo that I gave you? Why now? No, now.
Marcos, mess up. Hey, mess up. This boot, my boot of life, ancient of days. Wait, when I finished dressing, as I was stepping out, stepping out from that place, they were not looking at this thing I'm wearing. This boot. Don't try this boot, though. Don't talk that thing again.
No. I still want you to wear them. I saw when you brought them back. One of them wear. I just want to see, this your fine straight leg.
So you move like this for me.
It's late. It's late. Go to your room. Marcos. Yeah, go.
Oh, no problem. Give me my cup. Give me my...
Yeah. To your room.
You know, I can change my mind. I decide to sleep here tonight.
Sleep well. Oh yeah.
Go.
Okay, wait. Why are you laughing? What is it? No, seriously, what is so different about me? It's still me, Sarah. Oh, wait, is it just this hair that is making you act this way?
It's not just the hair.
So what?
Did you not look at yourself in the mirror when you returned yesterday? You were looking absolutely gorgeous. Just look at yourself now. I can't even explain what I'm seeing.
Okay.
Seriously.
Okay, wait, let me ask a simple question. Was I that ugly before my makeover?
No.
So what?
That is not what I mean. You have always been very beautiful. Okay. Let me explain it this way.
Oh yeah.
My prince.
Did you see that girl?
Who?
Don't be stupid, I'm talking about Sarah.
Yes, she's in the backyard talking to one of the maids.
Can I explain something to you?
Listen.
When you came here originally, I never knew you have some humorous potentials. Oh my goodness. You are the most funny creature I've ever seen in my life.
Greetings, my prince.
I thought your job is to make the royal household laugh, not the entire community.
I'm sorry, my prince. But I'm done with my duties already. I was with the king from 8 a.m. to 10 a.m. this morning. And then he told me he had a meeting with his cabinet members. Then I came out here.
You have to keep it low. I was hearing your voice right from my room. Keep it low. Hope my message is clear.
Yes, my prince.
Good.
Lotanda, you see, I'm trying to understand this. Did this really happen? Or are you joking?
Uche, the king gave me the insult of my life. In fact, he insulted what I stand for. Can you imagine? He asked me to take a commoner to a salon and stand there and watch her do her makeover and shopping. He even gave me his debit card.
Hold on. Are we still talking about the king here? So, who is this babe that made your father to release his debit card just for you to take a commoner for makeover and shopping? Who is this babe?
That's the point. She is a nobody, a commoner, ordinary maiden that he employed as a royal muse. I don't even know what that means.
This is serious. So what happened?
I forgot her there.
You left her?
I paid for whatever and I left her there.
This is serious. So what really happened after? How did she manage to come home? And the makeover artist, did she do a good job?
Uche, how is that supposed to be my business?
Come on, wasn't that a direct order from the king?
Inside the royal house, everything is possible.
What have I done to myself? Where is my child? I just hope I haven't pushed her into the wrong hands. Or was she kidnapped? No. She couldn't have been kidnapped from here. She left with all her clothing. Oh, Mabel, my wife. Why did you have to leave me alone in this world? I have always been wrong in making decisions. You made my decisions and took care of everything perfectly well for me. Please forgive me, my dear wife. Sarah, please just come back home. Oh, my child. Gods of my land, gods of Nando, please save my child.
Lutana, hurry up now. Can't you see what time it is? Come now, let's go. I don't like this. I don't even know what you are doing there. Lutana. I don't understand this guy. He doesn't even have any sense of time. Who is this?
Okay, let's go. Uche.
This is just what I call.
Uche. Are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm fine. Very. Don't I look fine?
No, you are not. You are moping stupidly.
Moping, Ochman. I wasn't moping. I'm just fine. Perfect.
Hold
on. Who is that girl? That social base. Who is the girl?
Alright, if you must know, the day you were embarrassing yourself with those girls, she was there.
Peace, man! See, oh my. That girl that was putting on a funny boot. This is the girl?
Yes.
How come I didn't notice her that day? What is she doing here?
To cut the long story short, she's one of our servants. Let's go.
Hold on, look. You're always fast tracking. You're always speeding everything. Relax. The journey of life is small, gentle. That meeting we're going. Look, this social base is more important than that stupid meeting. I'm not even interested in that meeting again.
Uche.
I think.
Uche. Uche. Let's leave.
See, I've not really asked you anything before.
Let's go.
Can I just...
Uche, let's go. Marcus, open that gate.
Asinobu makome nani yo ejele makome nani buono maduo ife melonwa durama asim ife melonwa durama ihunanya ne wogio makani ihunanya kasife nileo Onyi huru n'anya apụ obi ekolu gị n'elu asị m egbu age agwo. Ife melo nwa dirama. Asim ife melo nwa ta dirama. Ife melo nwa dirama. Ife melo nwa dirama. Asinobu makome nani yo. Ejele makome nani wo no maduo. Ife melo nwa dirama. Asim ife melo nwa dirama.
Your turn now. Can we just break this silence? Can we talk about this? I'm not really enjoying the silence. Let's talk about this.
Which I have a lot going on here. So I will appreciate it if you shut up so I can concentrate.
Fine, in that case, if you grant me access to that beautiful maiden that almost drove me crazy. Come on, Lieutenant, did you see the hips? It was swinging like a pendulum that is suffering from acute intoxication of cannabis. The hips. Can you grant me access to this maiden? Because if you do, is it going to cost you anything? I've been thinking.
Who are you to me? Who are you to me?
Come on, Lieutenant. Of course, I'm your friend. I'm your brother. I'm your number 2. I'm your most trusted ally. Even the king himself knows I am very, very reliable. That is why he has granted unhindered access to me to every place in the palace.
So because of the unhindered access you have, is that why you are defiling all the maidens in that palace? Or you think I don't know?
Oh, Lieutenant. What do you mean I've been defiling all the maidens in the palace? I don't. Who told you that?
So you think I'm delusional, but I don't even know what is happening around me. Is that what you think? Listen. You can be playing or messing around with all the maidens in that palace. But you see Sarah, stay away from her. I repeat, stay away from Sarah.
Come on, Lieutenant. You told me she's just a
change the topic. Listen. Stay away from Sarah, else you will see the beast in me. Stay away from Sarah.
Royal game. Royal game of the mind. Yes, it's royal game. Royal game. It's royal game. Royal game. It's royal game. Royal game. Royal game of the mind.
Sarah, how are you?
I'm very fine. I came to see if I could entertain you, my king. You know you need lots of entertainment to ease off tension.
Sarah, I don't think I'll be needing that this morning. Yes, I've been meaning to ask you, what was the last examination you passed?
Examination? You want to set an exam for me?
Can't you just be objective for once? What was the last school you attended? Primary or secondary?
Okay. I finished from our community secondary school in Nando. My king, I didn't want to go to school. I wanted to further my education. Oh! But my father, hey, that man don't get sense. What sense he don't get? He begin to play kalo. Local Betty. Nothing when Mr. Bidu.
Nothing. I could not further my education. All the money when you get, this morning don't go play kalu. Tomorrow don't go play kalu. I'm not fit go school.
Good morning, Your Majesty. What are you doing here?
I was just asking her some specific questions on her educational background.
Really? Instead of you to start thinking of what to do to your son to bring him out of the dark cloud he's in, you're busy listening to this intruder who I'm yet to know what her mission here is.
What can one say to a heart that is already darkened by hatred and bitterness? Please, let me have some peace.
How can you have peace when your only child is gradually calling into a world of his own?
My queen.
Shut up and get out! Get out!
This whole thing is still very surprising to me. How much did they pay you to come and teach me?
Why are you bothering yourself with how much you are paid? The important thing is that you have the love of the royal house and they have hired me to help you improve academically and otherwise.
Hey! See, no problem. No problem. I don't want you to teach me grammar. Baby grammar. I don't want. I want you to teach me calculation of millions. Because as you're seeing me here, hey! Don't look at me like this. I am going to become a millionaire. When they see me, money. You hear Sarah, money. You see my head, money. I am smiling, money. I want to become a millionaire, so you need to teach me calculation of millions. Do you have that kind of knowledge? I mean, are you a millionaire? Good job.
Some people are very poor because all they have is money. Those are people suffering from intellectual poverty. If you are listening to me, I will confirm to you that intellectual poverty is the worst form of poverty. Ha! You can overcome that.
Ha! Ha! Coach! Coach! You'll be fine. Ah! You too know something. You know too much. Where did you learn from? Have you traveled to London before?
My dear, London is not the only place one can learn. The process of education can be activated anywhere. Make up your mind to learn and we can make huge impact in few weeks.
See, Lutana, there are certain things you don't tell a man like me now. I'm not a small boy. You are not even making sense. If you want to make sense, make sense. If you don't want to make sense, close your mouth. Let us drink.
You don't believe me, right? No, you're doubting me. Don't worry, let me prove it to you.
Lieutenant, you want to make sense, make sense.
Don't worry, let me get my phone now.
Bring it. You're talking to me as if I'm a small boy. I'm not a small boy.
No problem, let me get my phone.
If you want make sense, make sense.
Don't drink my beer.
Which beer? Beer, we don't cool. Where you bring it? Oh,
Hey, come. Come now, am I speaking Greek? Come.
You don't remember me?
Yes, I remember you.
Uh-huh.
At the parliament, you called me a...
Oh, forget what happened that day. You see, that day, I was so drunk. I was not myself. Normally, I couldn't have said what I said that day or do what I did. I'm sorry for whatever I did that day. I'm sorry. My name is Uche. But my friends call me Ochman. But you, as a matter of fact, you can call me Och Baby. I don't have problem with that. Nice meeting you. Come on. Do you know how pretty you are? Do you know your beauty can make one forget he has not eaten?
Uche. Huh? What's the meaning of this?
What is it? I'm just trying to make a formal introduction. Is there anything wrong with that?
Introduction ended. I warned you.
I don't understand. I'm not even done with the introduction.
I mean, what are you saying here? My friend, will you leave this place? Leave, Ojan.
What is the meaning of this now? No, what is this? Am I sensing some jealousy here? When has acquaintance become a sin?
My friend, call it whatever you want.
No, why are you being overprotective about this girl?
Uche, respect your old age.
I don't like this. I don't like this.
Look at the evidence you are asking for. Uche, I don't want to look at it.
Not too late, Brahma. Oyibo. I need maths. That's why I need to know maths. Putting concern us. Concern go raise 2 on top of S. S raised to power 2. Concern.
Is making my friend laugh part of your job in this palace?
No, he only just asked me what my name is and if I remember him.
Do you remember him?
Ah, of course. Why won't I remember him? I remember him. Remember that day at thank God you came to his rescue. If not, shake away those girls for sure you're afraid. If you no recover. And as for me, thank God say you come. If those say I show my taekwondo style, sure I'm waiting I go do. Search for a given. Oi, matcha. Oi, Chucky Chan they fight for Chempo. Now who change them go fight? If those say I give am, if you no survive, I show the pepper that day.
What are you reading?
My coach gave me.
New General Mathematics. You. New General Math. Stop wasting your time.
Hey, me. Let me tell you. Me, where you dey see here. Next billionaire. Billionaire in the making. The kind money when I want make. If they heap the money, heap am. If you climb that money, jump come down, you go die. I need to calculate my money, calculate about myself, so I need to know mathematics. So that when that money come, nobody go cheat me. I will calculate money by myself.
Alright, tell me how far you've gone.
My prince, let's forget about this. I want us to talk sense.
You want us to talk sense? Okay, I'm all ears.
I want to ask, why do men like pretending?
Meaning?
You don't know what I mean? See, when I dey my village, I think say the men wey dey for my village, they pretend. Lie. Ah! Men for here, no try them. I give them 100. They pretend.
You are still not making sense to me. Who are the pretenders? Who are you talking about?
You dey ask me. One sit down for front of me. No look back. That one stand. You sit down. Now you are the doctor.
I beg your pardon.
Yes! You are a pretender. You want to tell me that you don't like me? No, I need to stand there for you to look at me. Don't you like me? I mean, like me very well. Look at me from my head to my boot. Don't you like me? No, I'll never laugh, oh. If you want me to give you catwalking, I give you catwalking. Or I give you the step. You're laughing. No, tell me, my prince, don't you like me? No, seriously. Are you telling me you don't like me? Or you still want me to move for you? Okay, let me give you another one.
What was that thing you were telling my son that made him laugh so much earlier today?
Nothing, my queen.
What do you mean nothing? My son is not a madman, so he couldn't have been laughing over nothing.
I
Continue with what you were telling him.
But my queen, you...
Sit.
Me?
Yes, you. You see, in the past 3 years, my son had neither smiled nor laughed so much as he did today. And I've been praying for a healer to come. And I think that my prayer has been answered through you. I want to ask you for a favor. Please. Whatever it was you were telling my son or you did to my son, I want you to continue.
Okay. You asked me not to meddle in the affairs of the palace.
Forget what I must have told you, probably when I was in a bad mood. Make my son laugh more often. Please.
Inside the royal house, everything is possible.
Are you sick? Oh, sick. How is your head? How are you feeling? Just let me use this to cool your temperature. After I'll go out and buy you drugs, okay?
You say that. Leave this in. I mean, don't forget about my headache. What is this now? What is this closeness between you and Prince? Don't stop this now.
Sarah.
Come on.
Sarah.
You should be...
I've been looking for you. I told you we are going out today. Why are you not ready?
My greetings, my prince.
Greetings. Don't tell me you want to go out with me like this.
My prince, I can't go anywhere. Marcus no way. He's not feeling fine.
You are not a doctor, Sarah. If Marcus is not feeling fine, all you need to do is tell the king and he will send for a doctor.
Prince,
shut up.
See, he's crying. I need to take care of him. He's not well at all.
Alright. Doctor. Take care of your patient.
Will you shut up?
Marcus, don't cry now. Don't cry. Please, me, I will cry. Don't cry. Sorry. Marcus. Say now you talk, say you know way. You dey call the prince idiot. I will tell him that you're calling my name.
No. This headache now is as a result.
You're here.
Yes, my queen. You sent for me.
Yes, I did. Please sit down. I need you to do me a favor.
What can I possibly offer the queen of Akokwa that she doesn't have already? I am just a mere servant, my queen.
It is something you can offer me. Not just me, but also the king, and most especially the prince. If you do this for me, Sarah, I will reward you handsomely.
My queen, it is not about the reward. But I will be willing to do anything to make the prince happy. I mean, each time I see him, he's always sad, always angry. I would really love to help, my queen.
I need you to convince Lutanna to take a wife.
My queen?
Oh, please, don't give me that look. You see, Sarah, my son has never been close to anyone in the past 3 years the way he has been to you these few weeks. Of course, apart from Uche, who I know would prefer him to remain like that. I need you to change a few things about him. Like the way he dresses. You know, it is not befitting of a prince. The way he leaves the palace without even one guard. These are some of the things that I need you to change about him. Please, my child, do this for me.
My queen, you do not need to beg me. I would love to help. But you know your son. He doesn't smile. He's always angry. I mean, I don't know how he is going to react if I try to meddle in such an important issue.
He will act well. Honestly, if you do this, it's going to bring joy back into this palace. Please.
Okay, my queen. But before I do this, I would like to know what happened in the past. Why he acts this way. I mean, so I know how to handle situation if any arises.
My child, you have a right to know. You say this family was living in peace, doing beautifully well. One of the palaces that anybody would dream to live in. Until one day.
You don't know the sex of the child yet, as you have refused to have a scan done, and you're already naming the child.
Trust me, I know what I put in there. I'm a sharpshooter. It's a boy, definitely.
Okay, Mr. Sharpshooter. From your lips to the heart of the gods. I pray to give up.
Did you hear that?
Hear what?
My son just called my name. He said, Daddy, I love you.
Oh, my love, please stop cracking me up.
You forcefully get this child out of me.
The truth is, I can't wait to see my son.
Alright.
The future prince of our corporate kingdom.
I know, my love. Soon. It's been 20 minutes. The maid called you lovebirds to come and join us for lunch. And up till now, both of you are still here. And the king and I have been waiting.
Forgive me, sweet mom. I totally forgot.
We are very sorry, my queen. Please forgive us. It's okay, my children. Shall we?
Yes. Sure.
Good. It's not good to keep the king waiting. Come on. I am handling her with care. That's so big.
The thing is also in love. You're the best thing that happened to my son, Roger.
Thank you, King. Thank you, King. Oh. Yes.
My love, sometimes I ask what I did to deserve an angel like you.
My love, please don't make me cry. You know I'm almost due. And I cannot do the things I do so it doesn't fasten to labor.
The moon and the sun rise in your eyes. Once you go to bed, I shall practically invite all your friends down to our compound just to celebrate your centenary.
You know, the midwife asked that I pray for a safe delivery. That is what I've been doing. And I'm happy you're praying for the same safe delivery.
I can't wait to lay my eyes on our first seed. It will bring smile upon so many faces. And I will throw a very big party just to appreciate you. It's certain.
Yeah.
Father, this is not making sense to me anymore. My wife is in serious pain and we must take her to the hospital.
Son, don't make an emphatic statement. This has gone beyond you. A woman married to the prince must not have her child outside the walls of this palace. Yes. That is tradition.
This tradition can be changed. That woman has been battling with my wife in there for the past 6 hours. And my wife has been screaming in pain. Let's take her to the hospital for Christ.
That is why it is called labor.
Oh my word.
Most women in labor scream, so it is not strange. Can I see you, Your Majesty?
How is my wife?
It's not for you, it's only for women. Your mother only.
But listen, you need to do me a favor. Tell my father to give up on this tradition issue. My wife is in pain. We need to take her to the hospital.
See, as the coming king of this kingdom, You must be committed to the protection of our tradition.
Why are you protecting this useless tradition? For crying out loud, this is a civilized world. 21st century. A woman in labor should be taken to a hospital.
Don't provoke me, son. Do not. I was delivered in the palace. You were delivered in the palace. My grandchild must be delivered in the palace too.
What is it? What is it? Your Majesty. You all are happy now, right? No, tell me, you all are now. Because of tradition, I lost my lovely wife. Because of tradition, I lost my lovely son. Because of tradition, I am now a widower. I denounce this tradition. And I swear, I will never ever forgive you all. I will never forgive you all.
If I melon drama, Asinobu, Makome Nanio, Ejele Makome Nani, no Madu. If I melon.
Up until now, the king has refused to accept the fact that he caused this whole problem. He has been holding on to tradition, forgetting the fact that traditions are made for humans, not the other way around. There is absolutely no way humans would be made for traditions. So my child, talk him out of this dark cloud, and I'll pay you anything.
Why are you looking like someone that just woke up from the wrong side of the bed? Eh? You may need to go back and wake up again. See, I don't like this look at all.
Marcus, if you know what I use my 2 ear here now, if you know what the queen told me, she actually told me the reason the prince has been behaving the way he has been.
Are you serious? There is reason for this caring attitude. What is it?
You know, since I came into this palace, since I come with you for this palace, you see that king? I like that man. I like that man.
Please, what is this now? Eh? What is this? You mean to say that the king has joined the group of my enemies? Eh? Please, don't start liking the king. Please. Don't just like him. Please, I beg. Biko.
You know, say you no get sense. Common sense you no get. If I talk now, you go say Sarah to the talk. You no get sense. You did not even allow me finish what I wanted to tell you. You not allow me hit my point. Your mind. You don't even get brain. Don't they wonder the whole way I know.
Don't tell me that nonsense. It's your mind that wondered by telling me that you started liking the king. What nonsense? Eh? Please, sir, I beg you, don't make me to kill this good man. Yes, I can kill this king now and go back to Nando. I can just kill him now and go back to... What is this now? Please, don't like him and let him not like you. I'm telling you. I'm telling you.
I don't do. Kill her. No kill anybody. The thing is, since the queen told me what she just told me, I've had every reason to start hating the king. He is the reason the prince has been locked up. You see all those things where the prince they do? Where they shout for you, they call him idiot.
Yeah.
And the king consign.
Thank you. Now, start hating him now. Let the hatred grow. Hate them, hate the king, hate the prince, hate everybody. You understand? No wonder. Hey, this is serious. See it? So please hate them the more hate. Like me only. Hey, this is serious. What did he do?
If the queen is holding a private discussion with Sarah, should it be a topic of discussion? Why are you bothering yourself?
Adama, ever since you started working in this palace as a maiden, have you ever had a private discussion with your queen mother? Eh? Why are you so blind not to see what is happening in this palace?
So, what exactly are you insinuating?
The same way she captured the king's heart is the same way she has captured the queen mother's heart. I think we need to confront her. Yes.
Confront her, as in, remember your oath of engagement. Do everything, I mean anything, but don't fight.
Adama, I never said we should go and fight her. I mean we should call her to come and explain the discussion she had with the queen mother. Get that into your head.
The queen mother is calling you. She should come right now.
The queen mother?
Yes.
Only me?
Yes. Come, let's go. Come now.
Okay.
Because my problem with you is that you are never consistent at all.
Hey, when did the topic change to Marcus? Eh? The queen called you, told you what the king did to the prince that made him lock up. Now asks you to talk him out of it.
Exactly. So why are you asking me to go ahead and do it?
Because the order is coming from the no-nonsense queen of Akopa. And you cannot turn her down. Huh? What nonsense?
Marcus, were you not the same person that advised me? If I could remember, you advised me to stay away from the prince.
Yeah. The same advice you disobeyed before it was given. Eh? Sarah, please don't make me to remember what we did. Listen, if the queen has told you to talk to the prince to get a wife, do it.
Why must I do it?
Because it will now make me have rest of mind. You know, he will now marry the woman and leave you for me. Is that too much to ask? I
will never allow myself to be held responsible for your backwardness.
Huh?
You are backward than backward.
Is it what Akokwa has made this girl to be? Sarah, daughter of a gambler, calling me Marcus backward. Okay. Hey. Look at Sarah. I'm the one that gave you that boot. Oh. This boot now that is getting into your head. Me backward, Marcus, your mentor. Hey. Me.
Asinobu makome nani yo ejele makome nani buono maduo ife melo nwa durama asim ife melo nwa durama ihunanya nebugi makani ihunanya kasife nileo Omonyi huronanya Apu biekologi nenuo What? Asime buoni huronanya
I can see you're giving your books full attention. Hope you're learning fast.
Yes, I am. And my class has been very interesting.
Good to hear. You mean your coach never told you to get rid of these your outrageous boots? He bought you new shoes. Why are you not wearing them?
Well, I like these ones better.
Are you serious?
Yes.
You like this?
My boot, my prince. Very precious. Special.
Alright. I want to take you out tomorrow. Hope you won't be busy.
No, I don't have classes tomorrow.
Good. Tomorrow then.
Okay. Can I have a word with you, please?
Sure. I hope all is well.
Yes. Yes, I've forgotten what I wanted to say.
All right. It's okay.
I remember.
Okay.
I wanted to tell you that you're looking very fine today.
No one has said this to me for a very long time. Coming from you, I really appreciate. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Tomorrow.
Yes. Tomorrow.
Tomorrow.
Yes.
They were sure of one thing. They were defending tradition. They were defending what they believe. And the belief they knew it all.
Very simple as he was sitting here. We have just told him the queen said, nothing just inside the soul. Empty. After you would run out. I don't know anything. I will just stop. Why are you moving?
Who are you talking with? Are you okay?
I dey practice drama. My coach teach me drama. Just a years.
What do you mean you couldn't tell him? So this little favor I asked of you, you couldn't do it. I was watching both of you. You had an opportunity to talk to him, but you failed me.
Sorry. I'm very sorry. I wanted to tell him, but you know your son. If he vexes, you cannot stand him. Even you cannot stand him. I didn't know how to say it to him. You know, he was in a good mood. I don't want to spoil his mood. He will face for me.
Really? So you now know when my son is in the right mood to be talked to and when he's not, right? If you were that sensible, you should have seized that opportunity to talk to him.
Please, forgive me. Now fear. Fear. I don't almost talk. Fear. I could not say anything to him again. I'm sorry, my queen. Please.
Well, you have to do it when he returns.
She will have to do what when who returns?
Too many things can happen to a man. He will decide to lock up himself. He will decide to be all alone. He will decide to speak to nobody. Whatever it is, could be deeper than the man, could be deeper than the mind. And
All you need to do is to make him laugh. You know those your funny things that will make him laugh. Present it in a very friendly way, and he'll buy into it.
Queen, what if he says no?
It all depends on how you present it. I know my son has some level of likeness to you, you know. I'm sure he will not say no. Huh? Just... I think he's back. Yes, he's back. Tell him, okay? Don't sit up, get up. Be bold, okay? Sorry, my prince.
Welcome.
Are you okay?
Me?
Why are you acting weird?
No, I'm fine. Weird? No. I'm okay.
Are you sure?
Yes, I'm fine.
Alright, I'll be in my room in case you need anything.
My prince. Sorry. I want to have a word with you.
Okay. I know what your problem is. You need money, but you don't know how to ask, right?
No, my prince. I just wanted to ask why you don't have a girlfriend. No, I mean, why you don't have a wife. My prince, I have been looking at you. You'll be a better person. Nice man. You say sometimes you could just well, you'll be a good person. I've just been wondering why you're always alone.
Sarah, where is this coming from?
Nowhere. I'm just concerned. You are always alone. Since I came into this palace, one woman, even one, has not come here to look for you. It's just surprising. So...
Thanks for your concern. But my private life shouldn't be your business. Excuse me.
Prince, I'm sorry if I offended you. No vex. Sorry. Hey.
That was a good start.
Can I have a word with you, please?
Sit.
I'm sorry about today. I mean, earlier, I didn't mean to get you upset. I was just concerned.
It's okay. I'm not mad at you. Just that what you said brought back so many sad memories.
My prince, those are memories that could be washed away. If you could live and forgive, open your heart once again to love. You are a prince. Live like one. You don't have to stock up yourself in your room. Go out. Dress up. Be princely and be happy, my prince. It is your entitlement. Enjoy it.
Oh. I can see your coach is doing a great job. But I can't even do those things anymore. I can't even toast a girl.
Okay. Things are very easy. You don't have to go through that stress. It's all been arranged.
Did someone pay you to do this?
Me? No. No, I mean yes. I have been talking to your mother and she...
Excuse me.
My prince, calm down. Calm down. I'm really sorry, but they're concerned about you.
No. I don't want to talk about my mom or dad. They don't have my interest at heart.
My prince, they do. Okay. Why don't you just give this a trial? I mean, you might not like it at first, but trust me, with time, you'll start loving it and you'll thank me later.
Your Majesty, I am delighted that you allow this to happen. These are maidens of this land that have been groomed for this process. Miss Henrietta here will do justice to the introduction.
My king, this is Nena Valentina Ibekanjo, the daughter of Engineer Cosmos Ibekanjo, the only oil merchant we have in this land.
Oh, I know the father.
Your Majesty. This is Bella Okongu, the daughter of Oliver Okongu, the owner of Okongu and Sons Trading Company. She's actually the only daughter of the family. This is Amara Nkemdika Ihanasho. She's calm and collected by the lady with brain.
Oh, I'm interested in that.
The daughter of Mr. Andrew Ihanasho, the retired permanent secretary, Ministry of Defense.
Oh, Ministry of Defense.
Yes, Your Majesty.
My king, the last but not the least, is no Nkemdika Anene. She's the daughter of Chief Emeka Anene, the CEO of our next breweries. My king, these are the beautiful ladies of this land, selected by the Queen, Her Majesty.
Your Majesty. Your Majesty.
We are certain that one of them will find favor in the eyes of our prince and be considered as the next queen of our Copper Kingdom.
Thank you.
Well, ladies, you're welcome to my humble abode.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Of course, you all know that this is the palace of our Copper Kingdom.
Yes, Your Majesty.
The Queen will familiarize you with everything about the palace and the things you're supposed to do. Everything has been provided for you that you will need for this process, including food and drinks.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
So, my Queen, you can take over. You're welcome once again.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
You remind me so much of Prince Charles of the United Kingdom. May I have a hug, please? Ah, he's so charming.
Oh, thank you. I am delighted.
Oh well, beautiful ladies, you're all welcome. Can I?
Sure. Thank you.
You're welcome. Let's go see, please. You're welcome.
Well, just before I do this, please Permit me to say, Your Majesty, that you have the most beautiful face on planet Earth.
Oh, thank you. You're welcome.
My pleasure.
You are all welcome, my angels.
Thank you, Your Majesty.
I'm sure Miss Henrietta must have told you the reason you're here.
Yes, Your Majesty.
Good. I'm also sure she must have given you a brief history of the palace and everything that surrounds it.
Of course.
Good. So with your backgrounds checked by Miss Henrietta, I hope we will not have any problem with any of you. Good. So with all said and done, do you have questions for me?
Actually, yes, I do. Who is she? Is she one of us?
Sarah, now. She's not one of you. She's actually nobody, but a servant in the palace. Any more questions?
No, with that being said, I don't think we have any more questions. Your Majesty?
Excuse me. What did you speak to all of us? Who made you a mouthpiece?
No, you should have spoken up when Your Majesty asked me to one.
Excuse me. Hello. That's enough. That's enough. The king does not like quarrels. But most especially, the prince loves his women calm and quiet. So you can actually retire to your bedrooms now to rest.
Oh, thank you, Your Majesty. One more question, Your Majesty. I was gonna ask, when are you likely to meet the prince so we can get started? You know, I hope we're all on the same page, of course. Yeah.
Do me a favor. Let them know that I've not gotten that shipment. Those goods cost me 2.4 million. I've already made some marketing arrangements, and some moron should not sit on my money. Let them not provoke me, please. What? Why are you staring at me like that?
I'm just trying to reconcile the call you just ended right now with the character sitting before me. It appears that someone is playing a funny game here.
Oh.
Can you just let it out already? Why did you ask me to follow you here? Is there a problem?
Yes, there is a problem. A very, very big one at that. Because someone here is trying to bring out the beast out of me like right now.
And what is this one trying to say?
I already confronted everybody in this palace, including the cleaners that clean our rooms. And they actually swore to me, even to the extent of swearing on the throne of the king. And I believe them. They don't steal here. So automatically, the thief or the thieves are right here in this room.
I beg your pardon. Are you trying to call us? No, are you trying to call me a thief?
I wish to know who stole the set of Victoria's Secret panties and bras I kept in my box.
Oh, I can't believe this. So you actually think I could be the one that stole your stuff? Please, excuse me.
Well, right. You see that girl that just left? I believe her. She couldn't have been the one that stole my properties. Now, girls, start talking. Who stole my set of Victoria's Secret panties and bras? Get talking!
You must be able to ask me that question. Oh, excuse me.
Oh, there's a reason I'm not slapping you right now. Don't try again. Who stole my panties? What are they all denying? So who the hell took my...
Ash. Oh, Sarah, be romantic for once. You want to break my bones?
My prince, you are too soft. Inando. Right. When I'm massaging my father's feet,
The next thing we hear is he's sleeping off. He likes my massage.
My dear, I'm not your father, okay? Meanwhile, how is he? Have you heard from him?
No. My prince. How are you coping with those girls? Hi! Those girls are too fine. Especially that one, Snow. Just hear. But then, that's why there is no control. I don't think you're going to control. But then, I kill it. Her swag, 100%. You're too pretty. I'm sure you will have a hard time picking one of them.
How are you sure I will even pick any? I'm just fulfilling all righteousness just to make mom feel good. I might end up picking you.
My prince, please just leave me. You must be joking.
You never can tell. What if I decide to pick you like wake up one morning and say, oh, I pick you, I pick you, I pick you.
You cannot pick me, my prince. You're joking.
You never can tell.
Joking, my prince.
Am I saying
Stop! My prince, stop!
Greetings.
What is going on here?
Nothing. Nothing, my queen.
Sarah, you have to give the prince some space. At least to see his visitors. All the girls are complaining that he doesn't give them time to see him.
Okay, my queen. I'm very sorry. My prince, I'll return to my room. If you need me, just send for me and I'll come back.
Relax. You're not done yet.
She has to leave because your father sent for you immediately.
He would decide to lock up himself. He would decide to